Hello friends. So here are the answer key for the assignment 3 of Rajiv Mall IIT Kharagpur course of software engineering. So the first question is, among the following modes of communication among the project team member, which one is most effective? So its options are carefully prepared document, pre-recorded video, pre-recorded audio, face-to-face communication with a whiteboard. So answer is D, face-to-face communication with a whiteboard. Second question is, which one of the following is not a basic principle of the agile model of software development? Frequent delivery of version at least once every few weeks, completion of the SRS software, document before the design phase, close cooperation between customer and developer, face-to-face communication among team member. So its correct option is B, completion of SRS software document before the design phase. Third question is, which one of the following is usually not a detraction for adoption of the agile model in software development projects? So options are, sketchy definition of the model make it possible to have inconsistent and diverse definition. The project may never coverage into meaningful solution. Short iteration inhibit long-term perspective. Higher risk due to feature creep. So option is B. The project may never converge into meaningful solution. Fourth is extreme programming. XP model recommends certain techniques that are meant to take the software development best practice to extreme. Its method is given here. So its correct option is option C. If code review is good, always review with pair programming and so on. Which one of the following statements regarding Scrum software development is false? Its options are A, a month-long iteration during which an incremental product functionality completed. No outside influence can interface with the Scrum team during the sprint. C, Scrum project progress in a series of sprint. Option D, customer can suggest changes during a sprint, which is taken care during that sprint. So option D is correct. Sixth, which one of the following responsibility is not performed by the product owner in a Scrum development? Option A is define the feature of the product. Option B is decide on release date and content. Option C is ensure that the team is fully functional and productive. Option D is accept or reject work result. So option C is ensure that the team is fully functional and productive. It is not the work of a Scrum development, it is the work of the Scrum Master. Seventh is, which one of the following responsibility is not performed by the Scrum Master in a Scrum development? Options are, decide on release date and content for every sprint. B, remove impediment that the project team faces. C, ensure that the team is fully functional and productive. Option D, shield the team from external interferences. So option A is correct. D, which one of the following is false regarding the daily Scrum meeting? A, it is not a problem solving meeting. B, in this meeting the Scrum Master collect information about who is behind schedule. Option C, it is a meeting in which team member make informal commitment to each other and to the Scrum Master. Option D, it is a good way for a Scrum Master to track the progress of the team. So option C is correct. It is a meeting in which team member make informal commitment to each other and to the Scrum Master. It is a false statement. Question 9. Which one of the following is false regarding sprint burn down chart? Option A, depict the total sprint backlog hour remaining per day. B, show the estimated amount of time to complete. Option C, ideally should burn down to 0 to the end of the sprint. Option D is, it is a big picture view of project's progress. So here option B is correct. Question 10th. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an agile software development? A, completion of requirement specification before design phase. Option B, evolutionary development, iterative development. Option C, periodic delivery of working software. So option B is correct. It is not a characteristic of agile software development project, evolutionary development. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel so that I may provide you more assignment solutions.